We're out here today in Shelby County at our rustic ranch. We've completed framing and are now moving into the mechanical phase of the project. Previously, we talked about the homeowners had specific mechanical requirements and a strong desire to keep the lower level ceilings as high as possible. Those priorities were built directly into our planning from the beginning. This home is going to be served by 3 water heaters installed in sequence, along with 3 furnace systems which are also zoned. That's going to allow the homeowners to independently control the heating and cooling in specific areas of the home. We're also installing a whole house water filtration system. On top of that, they have reverse osmosis at the kitchen sinks and at the coffee bar for their drinking water. As we step outside to the rear of the home, you can see the parallel trusses. Many homes use scissor trusses, but the parallel truss system we did here gave our client the exact ceiling look they wanted. We're really excited to bring the details our clients care about into their home, and we look forward to incorporating your vision into your next project.